Hey guys, today's strength workout is every minute on the minute for 8 minutes. We're gonna do 8 bent over barbell rows and 4 lateral over the bar burpees. Every minute we're gonna begin a new round. So if it takes you 30 seconds to do this work, then you're gonna have 30 seconds to rest. So the quicker you get through this work, the more rest you're gonna have. If it takes you 50 seconds, you're only gonna have 10 seconds to rest before we get into the next movement. The intent here is for you to be able to complete all this work and have a few seconds or more to rest before we get back into the next round. You're going to choose the weight that you want to use for the barbell. Go as heavy as you're able to do. Really strict movements on this. And lateral over the bar burpees. Let's talk about the movement. We want to pick the bar up from the ground to a standard deadlift hang position. From here, we're gonna go through our 2 positions where we're in the bottom of the down, our shoulders drop straight down, our knees bend, and then we're gonna send the hips backwards, let that bar ride down to the top of your knee, top of the knee, just above the knee position, or the second position. That is where we wanna maintain our rigid back posture. From here, we're gonna pull the bar strict up to the bottom of the chest, bottom of the pecs, just below the nipple line, and straight back down. Very strict movements on this, okay? We're not trying to use our shoulders to jump the weight up there. We're just gonna work strict movement. Go only as heavy as you're able to complete 8 reps, all 8 rounds on this movement. If you don't have a barbell, you can grab a set of dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, grab a couple of reusable grocery bags and load them up heavy, as heavy as you're able to. Same body position, same strict movement. And lateral over the bar burpees. Every minute on the minute for 8 minutes. Get after this strength work, guys.